Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today I'm gonna open a package with you guys. It is from Hemlock and Oak. I ordered this little planner for myself, and they included a gift, so I'll show you all of it. So as always, beautifully packaged. It is, I think, Canadian company. So it says, in a world filled with unsustainable practices, it's time for planners and notebooks to evolve and use sustainable local production methods. So yeah, it looks like we're trying to do the right thing. I do have a daily Hemlock and Oak that I use for work, but that one was meant for 6 months. It will last me slightly longer, but I did have overestimated and it won't last me a whole year. So let's take a look. So my free gift was this weekly tracker. Kind of cool. And then I did get the ribbon with a charm. So I'll show you what I picked. I picked this little moon, and this one is a horizontal. So what that means, I'll show you right now, but yeah, I do have my other one with me, and I'll show you what that one looks like. I can't show you the used pages, but I can show you like blank ones. So this one looks like that. It has a full day for, like, each page is a full day. It has an hourly and then to do. I dated, yeah. So I dated some pages. I did get a little tab to like tab them, but that's what that one looks like. So this is a 6 months daily. This is a year. So let me show you. It has a nice cover. It's another, like, this one's like olive green. This one is teal. So it does come with 2 ribbons, just like the other one. One is lighter, one is darker. But yeah, this little charm is so cute. So this planner belongs to, if found, please contact. And then we have the table of contents. So journaling, and then yearly planning, and then 2025. So before you begin, a note, there's self-reflection, identifying values. My other one had the same thing, setting goals. So habit cultivation, same thing. So nothing has changed. And then we have write down anything important you might need to reference throughout the year. And then we have year at a glance, 2025, 2026. Then we have important dates for the whole year. And then we have this by quarters, which I at my work in quarters, which is amazing, right? So I thought that would be really good. You have all of the holidays, Canada and United States. You have a blank page. You have a January overview. So self-care, how would you take your power back? And then we have the month, which in this one, I think February is still not filled out, so I can show you. So yeah, so I had to date all of this because this is undated. So this one is dated, and all the months in the daily are in the beginning. This one has the weeks right after. So we have January, and then we have the week, so you can list your to-dos and stuff and meetings here. And then the whole week of to-dos would be here, which is amazing, right? Because I have a lot of tasks that I'm working, and my work week is only 4 days. And I didn't want to waste the weekends, but this is pretty like sleek and nice, so I decided to upgrade to this planner. It is considered horizontal because of this, but this makes it so amazing for me, especially because I write tiny. I'll show you in my journal. Like, my handwriting is pretty small, so I could technically divide this page in half and have a huge to-do list for the week. So then we have January. I'll show you what it looks like. Then you have January overview. So write down 3 memorable moments from the month. What gave you energy, a lesson. Oh, and what drained you, a lesson taught or growth moment from this month. And then there's a quote and a blank page. And then February overview. Then we have the February month. So all of them are the same, and they are numbered. So February is already on page 55. June, July, I'm gonna go towards the end. So November, then we have December. And in the end, after December overview, you have a year end overview. So we have year-end review, looking ahead, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 empty pages, which is amazing if you're like planning to do a brain dump or something. There's a little bit of like stuff that got caught in here. Not a big deal, but how lovely is this, right? And then, like I said, I have a weekly tracker that I can track stuff on a weekly basis. So I thought that was pretty good too. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys as far as Hemlock and Oak. But look how stunning this chain, like, charm is. Now I kind of wish I splurged and charmed both of them, but I think I can keep the uncharmed one on my month, and then I can keep this one in my weeklies, which right now is already like the end. So yeah, so that is Hemlock and Oak. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this helps you make a decision if you want one. This is not sponsored in any way. I'm not affiliated in any way. I have purchased this with my own money. Not trying to convince you to buy or anything. I'm just sharing. So thanks so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye.